Hey guys, do you want to quickly find the nylon cable tie locking and cutting machine factory? Here you are. We have different kind of nylon cable tie locking and cutting machine for you. Which you want? Just tell me. Okay, please check. What is this? Do you know? Can harness one. Usually you need to use the board. You put a cable to on the board, so you need this, right? Because it's easy to move and any point you want to take, no problem. If you are home appliance electrical factory, also you can use this machine to tie the inner cable in your product. Okay, let me show you how it to work. Like this. It is so convenient. You can see, very easy.
You can take the sample. Very good. Okay, if you want to not cut the end of nylon cable tie, no problem. For the special nylon cable tie, you can check. The front is different shape. You can't use the machine with the feeding plate, like this feeding plate, because this feeding plate is designed for the stable nylon cable tie. You can see this is square. This is square head, right? Okay, but this is round. Usually in car or in other product have different shape design. Can use the feeding book, like a copper bus bar. Just put this nylon cable tie into the mold and then put your product. It's easy to work. Okay, if you want to tie a special position, you just use this tool to mark it. If you just want to tie some cable, very stable cable, you can use this desktop nylon cable tie machine. Okay. You can see it is easy to work. The machine speed is 1050 1 hour. Anybody can use it. So easy and so convenient. So if you have any different requirement, they have a lot of engineers to design different machines for you. Thank you.